Hello, welcome to another GK Beginning Band video. Today we're going to be working on the bottom of page 11, numbers 38 through 41. We're going to start with number 38, Mary Ann. You'll notice that Mary Ann is divided up very neatly into four-bar phrases, separated by a couple of quarter rests or a half rest between each phrase. Every other phrase is either a solo section or a tutti section. Remember, solo or soli means we're going to have one person or a group of people playing it. A tutti section means everyone plays. We'll work on them all so you could play any four-measure phrase when called upon to do it. Starting in measure 1 with 38, Mary Ann. 1, 2, ready. Three. 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 Two, three, four, stop. In most of the measures of Mary Ann, you'll notice you have a lot of skips from E to G, from C to E, from D to F, from B to D. Especially from B to D, since we haven't done that a lot, since we just learned the B, make sure that your ring finger on your left hand and your middle finger of your right hand are working together. You want them to move at the same time so that when you tongue the note, it sounds like a clean B and then a D instead of this. Okay, at that point my fingers weren't really moving together. I want them to move at the same time. So you may have to spend a little time working on that. In number 39, Crusaders March, there is a repeat sign at the end of the last measure, which means we'll go back to the beginning and play all the way through one more time. 1, 2, 39, here we go. In number 40, balance the scales. It's more of a theory exercise than anything, something for the student to do some writing here. You'll notice that they have a series of scales with notes on one side and nothing on the other side. You need to draw one note or one rest to balance each scale. For instance, let's do the first one together. On the left side of the first scale, you have a quarter note and a quarter rest. The quarter note is worth one count. The quarter rest is worth one count. Together that creates two counts. You need to put one note on the other side that's equal to two counts. And you could put a half note or a half rest, because both of those symbols are worth two counts. You need to balance the rest of the scales just like that, using one note or one rest. In number 41, Go for Excellence, you'll notice that we have two lines. We're back in 2/4 time, which means 2 beats per measure. We do have some ties across the bar lines in measures 7 and 8, and in measures 15 and 16. There is also a repeat at the end. So we're going to be repeating 16 measures in number 41. Notice that the motion is stepwise throughout most of the piece. In the last 4 measures, we skip G, E, F, D, C. You may take a second to work over those last 4 measures like this. Just work on it slowly until you get your fingers moving the way you want them to. Eventually pick up a little bit of tempo. I'll play number 41 with the repeat. 1, 2, ready. The assignment for this week is numbers 38, 39, 40, and 41. Have fun practicing your clarinet and all the new notes this week.